Welcome back to Toy Time! Today we're gonna open a new toy here on our channel. We're gonna show you guys the Jack multi-pack. As you guys know, Jack is the baby from the movie The Incredibles. And now there's the movie The Incredibles 2 coming up on the movie theaters real soon. When Jack is upset, he changes a lot. And those are the stages. You see, I'm going to show you guys. And I'm also going to show you guys Elastagirl. Look, this Elastagirl toy is really cool because she has two different arms. The elastic arm and also the regular arm. So are you guys ready to unbox some toys? So here is Elastagirl. And also let me show you guys the back of the box of Jack. Here it is, the whole incredible family. Which one should we open first? Alright, so let's start with Elastagirl because she's the mommy. So here we go. I'm going to need my super ladybug scissors. And here she is. Alright, so now I have to cut this tape right here. Very nice. And let's get the arm out of the package. Also, we want to get Elastagirl out of the package. So how do we get her out? Here we go. And she is such a superhero. Very cool, right guys? So here is her arm. Cool. And now let's see what happens when you put this arm on Elastagirl. Are we ready? So let's take this off right here. And here we go. Oh yeah! Now that we showed you guys Elastagirl, it's time to show you guys Jack. Here he is, very cute, right? So I'm gonna put Elastagirl right there and let's get ready to open this new box right here. So I'm going to need my ladybug scissors once again. If you guys are opening your own toys, please make sure to ask for the help of a grown-up just so you can make sure that you're safe. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to cut the side of the box. And here we are. This is Jack. This is Jack when he's very heavy. This is Jack when he's very angry. This is Jack when he's very angry too. And this is Jack when he's a superhero. So let's go ahead and get every single one from inside the box. Okay, so one Jack. Two Jacks. This one I will have to trim and get him out of the box. Here he is. Cool, right? And here is the other one. Gotta trim it right there. Got him out. Ooh, he looks scary. And then this one right here. Oh, he's very heavy because he's made out of metal. And then one more, last but not least, this cute little baby right here. Isn't he adorable? Here is Jack. So now, let me show you guys in a little bit more details each one of the Jacks. Okay, so let's start with the baby. Isn't he adorable? He's super cute and cuddly and very chubby. Okay, so he's just a baby, and when the babysitters come to watch him, they don't know what they're dealing with because he is a superhero baby. Alright, so if they want to pick him up and he does not want to be picked up, he will turn into a metal baby. Look at this. He gets so heavy that nobody is able to pick him up. Cool, right guys? Okay, and also, if he wants to be very playful and he's angry to a certain extent, this is what he does. He turns into fire. Oh my goodness. Oh, the babysitters that babysit Jack get very afraid when this happens. They really need a fire extinguisher nearby. But now, if Jack is very angry and they're not doing what he wants, this is what happens to Jack. He turns into a monster. Crazy, right guys? But the one that I like the most is when he matches his family, being an Incredible. And this is his Incredible outfit. And his Incredible outfit is fireproof. It can change when he changes into the metal and also when he's a monster. So this suit is super incredible, right guys? Alright, so now let me show you Elastagirl. In case if you were wondering, her arm is very elastic. So here we go. I'm going to remove this arm once again, and now she has the elastic arm. Isn't it cool? Look how long her arm can be. So now, let's pretend Jack was going away and Elastagirl did not want him to go. And he really wanted to go to the other room, but she held Jack. But Jack was so angry because he really wanted to go. So he turned into the heavy metal baby. But because Elastagirl is also a super, she was able to bring Jack back with her. Awesome, right guys? Okay, so there will be lots of fun adventures coming up here on our channel. And if you guys want to watch our channel, please hurry up and subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment letting us know if you want to see more Incredibles episodes. I promise you will be lots of fun. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and also share our video. So I'll see you guys on our next adventure. Thanks for watching Toy Time. Please subscribe.